Alright, we want to look at how we can derive the dimension of a physical quantity called the area. Now the area of any shape is basically, okay, let's pick a shape. For example, let's say we have a rectangle. Yes, this rectangle is having a longer side which you can call the length. The length is, that is L, and the shorter side which is the breadth, which is B. However, from our previous knowledge, we learned that in physics, any property which can be measured directly using a ruler is classified as length. So in that case, we shall be using length as the dimension of breadth. So we shall be using, this is length L, this is also length L. So the area of this shape, area, is given as area equals the length times the breadth. Now, so area is equivalent to, the length is having a dimension of L, and the breadth is having a dimension of also L. This will give us L raised to power 2. But then, the dimension of any quantity is meant to be in terms of length, mass, length, and time. So we can express L squared as 1 times L squared times 1. For us to make it to be in this form, we can write this one as m to power 0. Then we'll put down this L to power 2. Then this I can be written as t to power 0. So this is how we get the dimension of a physical quantity called area. So you see how we are able to make use of the fundamental quantity, which is length, to build the derived quantity, which is area. So area is made up of it's made up using the building blocks which we call the length. So lengths are combined in a simple way to make up the area as a physical quantity. Now we can as well make use of a circle. Yes, we can also make use of a circle. If we have a circle like this, the circle, yes, a circle has a radius. So the radius is r. So we can say the area of this circle is given as area A equals pi r squared. And of course, the radius of a circle is measurable with a ruler, so the dimension for a circle, for a radius, is automatically length. So we can write this, that area is equivalent to pi is common. Pi is a constant. The constant. So pi multiplied by the radius is L, then all squared. So area is equivalent to some constants, which is pi multiplied by L squared. So we shall be making use of, this is the only variable here.